is the case on the defection of the 27 members of the Legislative Assembly on the 11th day of December 2023. The court has adjourned the proceedings further to the 30th of April 2025.
Just to clear some doubts, the judge did say that he doesn't want to change the jurisdiction with the Supreme Court. What does that really mean?
Well, the judge is of the view that certain matters are pending in the Supreme Court. He want the parties to address him on the impact of the case in the Supreme Court on this matter.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Okay. Who knows that is amazing? This place. You don't have the watch, you talk to. No. Now you sip, and that's it. Now you sip.
Oko-Jumbo. We'll come back on the 30th.
The three this thing, the assembly members. The record did not start early.
Are you leaving these compromises? You are still within the